Is it because something's in the way? Let's go check it out. As you can see, no. And I'll tell you what today's video is all about. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to align your sensors if they are misaligned. So if you guys see my previous videos where I shut my garage door, this garage door, and it shakes. I mean, the other one does shake, and these sensors down here get misaligned really easily. That's what's happening today. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to realign your garage door sensors. So if you guys can see here, the light here, maybe it's flickering. So if like the sensor is like pointing like that way, then you probably want to unscrew this right here and just adjust it so that it is pointing out like this. But that's not my problem. The bracket here that's holding the sensor, it is coming like when the door shakes, the track shakes, and that is what's making the sensor come misaligned. So what you want to do, you want to pull this back gently until this light is solid, and then when you come to the door here, works perfectly fine. And another way is, if any of this did not understand, if your sensor, if you do not know like how to do that, if you do not know what I mean, all you have to do is hold this button to close the garage door until it's completely closed, not like push it, hold it, and then let it go while it's going down. You have to hold it. If your sensor is so much aligned, you can hold it until it's fully closed, and that is another way if you can't get it fixed or anything. But thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to give a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and turn on your post notifications for more videos, like to see my videos if they are live, which I can't figure out, and if they are just posted. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!